Okay. What are you baking?
Brownies.
You say, hi guys!
Hi guys.
So, what are you baking for tonight?
Brownies.
Brownies na cupcake? So guys, currently it's 8:21 p.m. and we are
Baking.
At bakit ka nagagalit? Lalagyan din ng parchment paper. Oh my God! Guys, ikat na to ni kay naa siya'y kapalpakan.
Kira na.
Ba't nga na lang uban? Naman ko tayo scooper? Diba guys? Diba guys? Pati parchment paper, gikalimtan. Ako pa nakaalala. Nawala niya but nga. Nice! Nice baking.
Ay, nag-request ng gani na. Amator ka kayo, Orman.
Kadugay. Brightens guys. Ang ginamit namin is cupcake molder. Pero wala kaming cupcake na. Kasi tawag na. Molder ni, di ba? Pero katong something, parang yung parchment paper guys, cupcake paper, wala kami. So see how messy is it. Ginawan ko lang yan ng paraan. Kasi guys, itong tatlo, hindi niya nilagyan ng parchment paper. Ayoko masayang. Baka kasi dumikit lang siya sa tray. Sige guys, update ko kayo mamaya anong kinalabasan nito. Hiyak bab. So, this is the finished product. Is this a brownies or a cupcake? Crinkles. Crinkles pa nga.